I relocated to China with a mission to build a new BSAS with a greater capacity and capability to serve domestic and international airlines. We achieved land purchase and acquisition, the necessary construction permits, building permissions, and we broke ground all on the same day. Shanghai, perfect location for me to be based for such an important assignment. Hey, good morning. How are you? Yeah. I'm Mark Sisson, and I'm the CEO of Boeing Shanghai Aviation Services. Hey, good morning, Fiona.
Hey, good morning, Mark.
Can you just give me a quick reminder on that PGA we were talking about yesterday?
Yeah, the whole IPT is working on evaluating the whole process. I think it will cover both the current facility and the new facility.
All right, that's good news. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Our new hangar is located in the Yangshan Port Special Comprehensive Bondage Zone. Being based in Pudong International Aviation Hub, on June the 20th, 2024, we broke ground on our new facility and plan to complete the construction by the end of 2025 and be fully operational in early 2026. Okay, so you join me here in the Future Aviation Industry Park on the side of new BSAS facility. Behind me, you'll see this impressive steel roof. When completed, this will be the biggest single-span hangar in Asia. Our new hangar able to accommodate 4 wide-body aircraft and 2 narrow-body aircraft at the same time. This is increasing our capacity and production capability for wide-body aircraft by 100%.
现在能看到的，我们所有的钢结构的网架在4月份提升到位，做到我们整体的主体结构的封闭。
An incredible step in this construction project. I would like to thank you for all the work that you've done so far this year. We'll be a full-service MRO, catering a range of engineering services, bonded aircraft maintenance and modification, component maintenance, and of course aircraft material management, provided highly efficient services to global airlines.
这个很能直观的看到我们整个项目未来的一个呈现的效果，包括101机库，这是我们最重要的单体。
It's an incredible facility, an incredible opportunity for us. This photo here looks like it was 2 or 3 years ago, but in reality, we only broke ground in June. When was that?
项目的工期呢比较紧张，用这种挂图作战的方式，然后包括一种很直观的和各种的这种管理手段，就是为了最终保证我们完美履约给打零交卷。
LinGang Management Committee have been a great partner on this journey. It provides us many powerful support policies, certainly helping us expedite our construction project through to final completion.
我们跨度不一定比其他大，但是我们是单跨，中间没转化。
它还有施工的旁边的临时的
对临时设施，
应该要讲清楚。我们规划资源部门通过一系列审批制度改革，极大地简化了企业从拿地到审批到竣工办证的全生命周期的工作流程，减少了开工前的审批环节，加快了项目开工的速度。我们持续做深做实规划服务工作，组建成立了专项服务团队，为波音项目提供定制化的陪伴式服务。比如本项目跨度近200米的超线评审，服务团队多次提携与市主管部门对接，全面跟进并协调，确保项目在拿地前通过超线审查。我们的服务团队协助企业同时推进土地、规划、施工等证照的串联并联办理，最终达成3证同日办结的目标。
Boeing Shanghai is one of the only MROs in the world that is owned by Boeing. We completed our first 747 maintenance check in 2009. In 2022, we delivered Boeing's 100th 737 Boeing converted freighter to the customer. LinGang is recognized as the most competitive free trade zone. We appreciate the benefits of LinGang providing these policies and service innovations. We expect that with the continued support of LinGang's business environment, we can better promote our maintenance business and achieve a bright future for Boeing Shanghai.